has been a constant feature out here in enkandla. He has been here over the past few weeks, I would say months, or is it years even. But duduzane hardly makes an appearance in public in enkandla. Obviously, he does come to enkandla to see his father, and we know this through the various posts on social media that he would make. But obviously, duduzane Zuma does have his own presidential ambitions. I think later on, what I will do, once I have caught the eye of Luyanda, is to ask him to show you one of the T-shirts that are worn here by some of the duduzane associates. They have a T-shirt. It's a youthful, I would say funky, for lack of a better word, T-shirt with his image and the three colors of the ANC, black, green, and gold, and also with the writing DZ22. Obviously, those are his initials, duduzane Zuma 2022. Now that goes back, Hugo, to the very same presidential ambitions that I mentioned earlier. He has his own presidential ambitions. He has confirmed those in public to us as he is in Africa. And also last week, as I mentioned earlier, he was in Newlands East, where he was hoping to charm the members of that branch because he wants them to elect him as the branch chairperson, and he's hoping that that will lead his path to the presidency of the ANC. I guess that is how the elections and leadership elections in the ANC is structured. It's quite a long road. And I guess in terms of the whole procedure and the timelines that are necessary for one to serve in different structures of leadership, I think it will be a long road before he can get that presidential nomination. But today, I'm sure his own political ambitions are the last thing on his mind, and I'm